Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best cordless hammer drill, a powerful, lightweight tool perfect for all your drilling needs. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features: powerful EC brushless motor. The Bosch GSB 18V comes equipped with an EC brushless motor that delivers up to 490 inch-pounds of peak torque. This means more power and better runtime, perfect for tough tasks without slowing you down. Rapid mode selection plus 20 clutch settings. Switch easily between functions with the rapid mode selection system. The 20-position clutch lets you fine-tune torque settings for precise screw driving without damaging fasteners. Durable all-metal chuck. Built to last, the all-metal chuck provides exceptional bit grip and durability. It keeps your drill bits securely in place even during heavy-duty use on tough materials. Lightweight with high-impact performance. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, it offers a great balance of power and comfort. Despite its lightweight, it delivers up to 22,000 BPM, making it ideal for hammer drilling through masonry and more. 2-speed gearbox for versatility. This drill features a 2-speed gearbox, giving you the choice between high torque for tough driving or high speed for quick drilling, great for adapting to various materials. Variable speed control. Achieve maximum precision with the variable speed trigger. Whether you're working at high speed or high torque, the drill adjusts smoothly to match your pace and pressure. Ergonomic grip design. The Bosch GSB 18V is designed with a soft, ergonomic grip zone. It reduces fatigue and improves control, especially during long projects or overhead drilling. Electronic motor and battery protection. Equipped with electronic motor and cell protection, it helps prevent overload and overheating, extending the lifespan of both the battery and the tool. Pros: excellent power-to-weight ratio, durable all-metal chuck, 20-position clutch for precision, long battery life with brushless motor, comfortable ergonomic grip, high BPM for hammer drilling, 2-speed gearbox for flexibility, motor and cell protection for longevity. Cons: battery and charger sold separately. No built-in LED light. Might feel small for large industrial tasks. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a compact yet powerful cordless hammer drill, the Bosch GSB 18V is an excellent choice. It's packed with features professionals love but still user-friendly for DIYers. Built for durability and precision, it handles a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Whether you're drilling through concrete, wood, or metal, this tool will keep up. Ready to upgrade your toolbox? This hammer drill could be the game changer you need. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Products and like this video if you found it helpful.